Hello, if you want to change the slow motion speed on POCO X7 Pro, here's what you need to do. So if you go to more and if you turn on slow motion, then over here in the top right corner besides the resolution, you can also find the amount of frames per second. If you set it to 120, then of course the video will be in slow motion. However, it will not be as much slowed as, for instance, when you switch to 240. So you can tap on the current amount in order to switch to the next one. And we have three options in total, so 120, 240, and 960. However, as you can see, there is this information when you switch to 960, and that is you can only record the last quarter of the recording. So if you start recording, you will see that there is this gray area on the circle, and this gray area is the only section that will be captured by the slow motion video. Now, of course, this applies only to the 960 frames per second. If you use 120 or 240, then you pretty much have unlimited time and you can record for as long as you wish to. You can also tap on this arrow over here at the top in order to open the camera menu, and then over here you can switch the FPS as well, or you can simply swipe down in the camera preview in order to also open this camera menu and switch to the chosen frame rate. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.